Hi, Lally.
Hello, Anna.
Hi, hon.
How are you? I'm fine. Anyway, these are the two guys I was talking about. This is Robert and Robin.
Hi, Robert. Hi, Robin. How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
So, who's scheduled for work today? Who's on the night shift and the day shift?
Ay, day.
Oh, you're on the day shift.
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Okay, I want you to come at 7 o'clock in the morning. I don't want you to come late. Not on 6:59, not 7:01, 7:15, but 7 o'clock sharp.
Yes, Miss Tyson.
What you say?
Ma'am.
And what time's your schedule?
6 o'clock, ma'am.
So you better be here by 6 o'clock, just like I told him. You better not be late. Not 5:59, not 6:15, but 6 o'clock sharp.
Sungit na, pangit pa.
Mas pangit ka naman, mahaba pa ang baba mo.
Ay, Tagalog. Tagalog.
Excuse me, katuban tuwa sa 403, nahatagan ni Mugtambal?
O, gitagaan na ako, maayo na siya, wa na'y problema.
Alagi, kay sige yung magreklamo, sakit ko no iyan dughan.
Dili din ha, dugan
Ay.
diri. O siya, sige, musunod na ko.
Bisaya ka man, day?
Ba't di man ko Bisaya, anak man ko ni Elizabeth Ramsey?
Sus, Ginoo. Isting uto nagabutod-butod.